The Hnyf has again appealed to the DC of East Khasi Hills District, RM Kurba, to take action and ensure that the group who try to forcefully perform rituals at the Maujimbuin cave should not be allowed. On the other hand, the Hnyf southern border area through the president, Kilang Thongni, said that the Hnyf fully supports the decision of the Dorbar Shnong Mosen Ram. Meanwhile, Tourism Minister Paul Lingdaw expressed support for the Dorbar Shnong of Mosen Ram's decision to prohibit the establishment of any place of worship at Maujimbuin Cave, citing its status as a major tourist attraction. The minister noted that the Dorbar Shnong has not yet sought state government intervention, but when they do, the government will decide on the appropriate course of action.
In ai ki jingsan bupura ya ka Dorbar Shnong Mosen Ram kate ke jaka ka don ka khana pateng paket ka don ka history kate ke jaka amshim la nyau ya ka kum kata ke jaka ka bale nyam dulu andre tip ya kate ke jaka barok kani ka dong jungi bakam tamri ke si bakate ke jaka kade ka jaka kade tourist spot
kalau ngejing sisa bakani ka Kerempuan Maujimbuin Mosen Ram kadai ke major tourist attraction jom ketiga time. But kan tak sibuk lara tempela ya ka tangkum ke jaka legle nyam jogono ka kunhun yang kerpang.
And now the weather report.